morning and welcome to another vlog. Today we're in Hongdae. Wow, what a pretty street. Car! Today we have a K-pop dance class. So look forward to the vlog and make sure you like and subscribe. Let's eat.
That red button.
Dude, so true. Again, when I was holiday,
Noodles are so long.
Oh, that meat is so good. We're getting a little quick feed for our dance class. Look at these, look at us. This is self-serve. So you just get it in a cup yourself and then they count the amount of sticks after. We've got the pocket and we're gonna try some of the sausage over there, which is gonna cut up for us right now. Blood sausage and liver. Looks so scary, I'm so scared. Oh, yum. The noodles and the blood is really bouncy inside. Peppery with that salt is really good. You don't like ants? Not a fan?
At least you tried it.
It's tastes similar to the Vietnam. Gourmet.
Oh my god, I've been fighting this hat for so long. Look how full and oh yeah, that's so nice.
So we're currently out here, vintage shopping, and Tony can't make up his mind.
It's a bit expensive, isn't it?
Yeah, 95,000.
Oh, yeah. Vintage shopping is not that cheap, guys. For Spud, should I get this for Spud?
Yes.
Guys, Hongdae's popping off now. It's very, very busy. A lot of places to shop. Prices vary. You need to find the right store. So I didn't get much today. Just a few knickknacks. But we'll probably be heading to our dance class now. So let's go and dance. We chose BTS because that's the only one for today. But I hope it's not too hard because I'm quite stiff. Are you ready to dance?
I'm ready to dance.
We're ready to dance. Oh dear. 안녕하세요. Oh.
Nice.
Oh no. I'm scared. What was looking hard, guys?
Now that our movement first. One, we're going to like tucking our jacket. So 1, 2, we're going to like lift our jacket. 3, we're going to have our shoulder like hitting the front. So our hands go like stop it. 1 and a 2 and shoulder and a lift and down. 6. The lower body movement, we're like a stumble. And a 1 and a 2, 5. Our legs will turn in. And at the same time, we're going to sit. So our body weight and 7 and 8. Good. One more time. Tucking up and a flip and a shoulder and a lift. Yes. And down and a twist. One more time. One more time. One more time. Lift and down. Twist. 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 Don't be nervous. It's just the same as how we count it. Let's go one more time. Yes, very good.
guys, we have 5 minutes break. What are you gonna do? Water break?
Practice only.
Why? What do you mean?
Oh, it's practice.
How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? Now Jules is laughing in the corner. Julie. And the boys?
You guys better see something very special from
Very
us.
special, you reckon? Alright guys, from the top.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can only count, but I can't count Andrew the dancer. Guys, so one more.
Coming up, ready? 1, 2.
This is crazy. Our dancer is from where? Hong Kong? Dancer from Hong Kong? Sorry. Amy needs a bit more practice than all of us. I can't believe our dancer's from Hong Kong. And she's been in Korea for 3 years. She's worked with Treasure and BTS. Are you serious? That's crazy. Oh my god, she's so good so far. It's a bit hot. Or a bit unco. The guys are practicing in the background. Yes, guys. Yes, guys.
So for part 2, there's 2 versions. One is like easier one, and one is like a harder one. Which one do you guys? Harder one. Harder one. Okay. Into the city, little pumpkin soul. Dinah. Mate. The very iconic movement of the Hoden and pose. Yes.
It was at this moment that he knew
One more time.
he fucked up.
One more time. Can we try it from the very beginning so that we don't forget? Yeah. Shining through the city with the little pumpkin soul.
So scary, but
It's a bit humbling, isn't it?
yeah.
Humbling.
We'll see the video. No one's gonna see it. You're not gonna see it.
BTS.
BTS?
Me.
BTS? You just you, yeah?
What's your
We're fucked. You're never gonna see this video. This is the second one! This is the second one. I'm not going to stop. This is the second one! It's the first one. It's fine. It's the first one.
It was the second one.
That's the first one. That's the first one.
No.
This is when Adele gets off the thing. Adele's got it! Adele's like,
Oh my god, guys. That's the best one.
I can't believe we waited all that time for.
Hey! Julie! Yay, Amy!
Cindy.
Woo!
Adele.
Yay! Oh, they're really nice.
Bibi.
Baby!
Tony.
That's me! Thank you very much.
Harry.
Yay! More food. We could not resist the smell of this store.
We had to stop.
Oh, thank you again. 감사합니다. Worth? Does it taste the way it smells?
It's not warm.
You should learn how to sew. Then you can start altering your own pants.
And then I also got these two stuff. 2 for 20. Wow. So long.
Oh, the ends are so. I want to.
You found it.
I just got a white t-shirt. Yeah. Yeah.
I got this because I like the color of the packaging. And it's
Bob would not fit that.
Spud.
Is he that small?
Yeah, he's 4 kilos.
No way.
Yeah, we're.
Sunny Angel.
What's the zipper? Whoa.
Yeah, so you can zip it up, have this little bit
Very scandalous.
Oh.
Really high.
Oh yeah.
I got a jacket as well, but it's a bit different.
Oh
and then
yeah.
buckle it up.
Just rested up a little bit and we're getting some Michelin star dumps, aka dumplings. We'll just have a little snack and then we'll go
hit the
down
streets.
Myeongdong, hit the town, just look at all this food. Majeseo. So here we are, Myeongdong Gotcha. Let's go see what the hype is. A little bit of a line, so we had more than 8 people and we had to go on level 2 and 3. And if you have like 1 or 2 people, you can sit downstairs. So if you guys are going to Korea soon, I learned a few words you can use. So hello is 안녕하세요. And then you have to bow your head because respect. Majeseo, which means good or delicious. And then you can use 이거 뭐야, 이거 뭐야, 이거 뭐요? 이거 뭐야 is what is how much, what is this, sorry. And then 이거 맛있어요.
What?
No. Oh, this is a good one. If one of your friends are a bit, you can use Puba.
You said it wrong! Oh my god.
You're a pabo.
That's
what you.
Do you have one?
주세요.
주세요. Kimchi 주세요.
Give me
Give
kimchi.
me. But in a nice way, like. Vivi thinks she knows so much Korean because she watches 2K dramas.
Baby top students out of all these guys.
But he would get the participation award. Like he's trying their best.
You.
Yeah, totally.
But
I'm
you're not
not
going
doing
anywhere.
anything.
You're not progressing.
Pubble.
So they only have 3 things on the menu. I think we're just gonna try a little bit of each. First thing I smelt when I walked in was like garlic. Very good. Homey, yeah. But not like in a weird way. Like it's not your grandma's. Oh! Yeah! We literally ordered 2 minutes ago and it's out already. Wow. Woohoo! What a spread! Dig in, guys. Alright, let's try these Michelin star dumps with these chopsticks. I hate these chopsticks. I'm like a white person learning how to use chopsticks. Without sauce? Okay. It smells really chivey. Wow, look at that zoom. They're good. But Michelin star, expect a bit better. Nothing special. I feel like I can get this from Costco. Still yummy though, don't get me wrong. Oh shit, that's spicy. These are the cold noodles, they're like spinach ones.
They're healthy.
These are cool. I like, I feel like my lips are gonna sweet, a little bit acidic. But I feel like I've tried it in Melbourne before. Just trying the soup noodle now. These noodles almost look like, it's a bit thicker than pho noodles. I feel like if you're sick, your mum would make this for you, like homey food.
What sauce is it?
What is that?
It's the little one here.
Oh, maybe I'll try the dumpling with the sauce. It was interesting, so we didn't want to try it, but we're going to try it with the sauce now. It's not really a soup dumpling either, but there is a bit of juice.
Yeah.
Oh,
Out of
that makes it more memorable.
yeah.
Sauce.
I agree.
It brings it from like a 6 or 7. Low one? Maybe 6 to like a 7. Yeah, not a wow, yeah?
Good.
It's good, yeah? It's good.
But-
Good start. Tonight. When you hear Michelin star restaurant, you're thinking,
I think our expectations were too
too
high.
high. Tangulu? Oh. Oh, your tea fell off.
It's like a caramel apple. Oh yeah.
It looks painful to eat. What's taking you so long to eat it? Wow, you eat so clean.
Yeah.
I wanted to get content. Oh.
I can't tell if it's a dessert or savory.
Yeah,
Feed me, Tony.
it's a bit sweet.
Because you haven't done.
It's like sweet and sour.
Oh, that's what it is. Sweet and sour coconut chicken. Oh, that's so buttery but so good. Guys, no joke, when me and Amy saw this, we were like, let's go!
Okay, lucky I filmed Amy's one because yours looks
Look where we are. And look what we have in our hands right now. Wow, it's very doughy. Oh, the mozzarella is mozzarella.
Wait, did you get the cheese?
Guys, I've been waiting since Australia to see this brand, Emma's, and I really want to get a hat. They're so cute. Guys, I got a cap. I'm just sick of all the girls going to Olive Young again and again and again. I've been there like 10 times, but I went back there and I got some sunscreen for myself. Oh my god, so dramatic. I just want to go and shop and... Fuck off.
So we got kicked out of the store because Cindy tried to steal a bag of sweaters.
We
Stay out
left
here.
because I was suffocating.
Mission commence. Help Cindy find a toilet. Let's go. Do we see anything that could resemble a toilet nearby?
Over here, don't mind me.
To take a shit?
Hey!
Every single heartbreak made me lose my fucking mind. I guess I was too blind, couldn't see that you were right for me. I had to fuck it up, I'm sorry.
Wow, bingsu in Korea. I also got a tequila sunrise and they had to check everyone's passports. Sorry guys. They're bingsu here. In Australia it's like hard to find good bingsu. It's either too icy or it's just plain. It's got the perfect texture and you can have it on its own and it's so flavorful. We just got like original bingsu shaved ice. But it's so creamy, condensed milky, but it's not too sweet either. We got strawberry and... Have you seen our room yet? So this room belongs to who?
All of us, Tony.
No, you, me and Eric. Oh shit! Holy! 2 days! And this is all of Julie's stuff here. And all of this, and this, and this. And she has to fit it in this little bag here. Oh! They made it in!
Let's fucking go. We have a good night, huh?